For your T-Mobile Center slide, I'm just going to start with this empty slide here. To get your two tables, and again, guys, these are this is old information here. You're going to click on the slide after you added a new one, and this is the table icon I'm talking about on the rubric. So if I click on that, and then I would just say how many columns and how many rows. And once that is there, and I would change my color scheme later after I added the picture, but this is where you can go up here and easily change your table design. Then you would just copy that and paste it below. And then like on this one, I have a couple more events on one than I do on like my concerts than I do my shows. So if I wanted to add or delete a column, just have a cursor and go to layout. And this is where you would insert to the left or the right, or this is where you would delete a column there. And then to add animation to those tables, again, you would just click on that, go to animation. Here is the green ones are your entrance, and then some of these are like some effects. You can also choose this down, and if you scroll through, you can see some exit effects. Oh, sorry. The red ones are going to be your exit effects. So these are going to be your entrance. These are going to be like just emphasis, and then here are your exit ones for later. But I mean, you would just add it, and don't make it distract. So I think I just tell you to have fly in. And once you add animation, these are the numbers that I was talking about. And this is up here where it says start. That's what I was talking about there. If you don't see this animation pane pop up, you would just click on this button here and that will make it appear. Here's the effects options button that I'm talking about as well throughout the slideshow. All right, so now we want to get this picture of the Sprint Center on the back here. So I would go to Google, and so remember, you don't want to copy this image, you want to copy the full image. So I'm going to go over here and control click the picture, copy image, and go to my PowerPoint. I'm not going to paste it, I'm going to put it in as my background. So it says to click on the rubric there, it says to click in the background of your slide. So you just don't want to click where there's text, and then go to design and go over here to format background, picture or texture fill. So I'm going to click on this, and it says like, hey, where is your picture? So right here it says picture source. When you copy it, it goes to what we call the clipboard. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the clipboard, and there's my picture. And then I might want to adjust the offsets just in case it's like blurry. Then I need to hop to my sources slide and put that. So here I just put like photo slide 2 or info slide 2, photo for T-Mobile. You're going to go here to back to Chrome, and then you go to visit. Remember that google.com is not your source. So you could go to visit and copy and paste that, which is this right here. Or you could just type, I guess I could type this whole thing, which does not seem awesome, but T-Mobile, or right, like if I use this one, Wikipedia is my source. So if it ever blocks it from your view, you could just type whatever it says here for your image. To do the link on the PowerPoint, you're going to go to Insert, Shapes, just draw a little text box down there, and you would just type in it, click here for whatever it says to type there, and then click on the box and do Command K. So for my address, I would go here to Google, and where it says T-Mobile Center up here, I'm going to go to All, and here's the T-Mobile Center website. So there's also the one where it talks about events. So I could go here to events and tickets, view all events, and select that website, Command C, go back to my PowerPoint, and right here where it says address, Command V, click OK. Remember that your hyperlink does not work in this view, but when you go to slideshow view and hover your mouse over it, it gives you that little finger that would say where it's going to go. So that should cover the skills. Everything else you can read the rubric on, like how to type it, what order to put it in, and your animation there.